Thank you so much for joining us, sir. So I would like to know your view on life leadership movement.
So I would like to first congratulate Garima for bringing this wonderful initiative, the life leadership movement. This is what exactly we need in today's world. So when you talk about the leadership, what we see is a lot of people, they are very successful, but as a human being, they fail as a leader. So we keep hearing this kind of stories from so many people who succeeded in their organization and become the top richest people, but as a human being they fail. So your series actually helps individuals to develop a kind of skills towards to become a leader in organization as well as a human being. I think you are taking a very nice initiative and topic, and this will definitely help to bring our values, to bring our human ethics in each organization and individually, and grow together and achieve the highest objectives of the life.
Thank you for sharing. The potential is immense. So this is the time that we should take the leadership of our life and make our mark in the world. Thank you for sharing your insight. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.